So let's go to our implementation file and just wire up some functionality.
Right. I'm gonna get rid of penguin mode.
Yep, absolutely.
Sorry.
So just click on the one on the left, like the standard view. Yep.
Here we go.
Sometimes it makes you feel dumb using it.
So here's the touch-up method here.
Okay, so inside of that,
and the text field synthesize is put here.
Okay, so let's create a NS string inside of our click button action.
All right, we can do that.
Our
make some space.
button touch-up action. I mean, sorry.
Our button feel up. Our button grope.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we should have called it.
Oh, you said NS string?
Yep, and we'll just call it like str or something.
Okay.
And then we'll alloc and then init with format.
You want to alloc it?
Yep.
All right. Which means we what, Brian?
Have to release it because we own it. And
I own you.
Init with format, and then we'll do at NS string, and then we'll just say like message colon, and then
percent at.
Yep.
Oh, why did I do that? All right.
And then our next parameter will be text message dot text, so without brackets. So in the iPhone world, which hopefully this won't like blow your mind, dot text. Yep. So in the iPhone world, you have properties like this on the UI text field object. So they kind of NS text field was built beforehand, right? Before this was. So as they improved, they also kind of improved on usability a little bit as well. So you have access to properties like this, which I find way more convenient.
Right.
Okay, so now we're going to create a new view, and it's going to be a UI alert view. So we'll do UI alert view, and it's going to be a pointer to, we'll just call it alert view.
All right.
Okay, and that's going to be equal to, and we're going to alloc and init it as well. View alloc, and then init with title.
Okay.
And then our title is going to be and we'll say like wibbit.net alert.
All right.
And then the message text label, and then we're going to pass it string as the message.
All right, so it's going to be
like
str, right?
Yep. Okay. And then our delegate is just going to be self. So and then our cancel button title will just be like at close, NS string close.
All right.
And then other button titles we'll just put to nil.
Nil. Right.
Close that off, and then perfect. Beautiful. Okay, so now we have this UI alert view, and then, of course, because we init it, we need to release it.
Otherwise, 45 megabytes later, your system will explode.
So in between that, all we have to do now is just say alert view show. And that will do the, you'll recognize the alert right away. A lot of applications use the alert view. So when we run this and click it, you'll see it like instantly.
Okay.
So let's just run it, and then we'll type something into the text field.
Okay. It rocks. Right?
Yep.
So then we touch this?
Yep.
Hey!
Isn't that cool? So you recognize these alerts. I'm sure you've seen these modal pop-ups all the time. So that's the UI alert view.
Nice.
Yeah, and so showing that brings that to the screen. So that's a very
So I gotta treat it like it's my own iPhone. I gotta keep my processes closed. Sorry, it's instinct at this point. They have me brainwashed. What the fuck am I doing here?
You just changed the language to Japanese.
I did?
I don't know.
What did I just do?
Who knows? So that's a basic, straightforward example of just like quickly having the view instantiate, add some objects, making the outlet and the action, tying them together, doing something.
Right.
And that's it.
Is that it?
That's it.
All right.
See you guys.